Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Maricel. I am 36 years old from Iloilo, Philippines. I am single, no kids. My highest education attainment is 2 years college graduate, major in industrial technology. My expertise are child care, pet care, and elderly care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 7 years with 4 employers. Currently, I serve 2 couples and 3 children, age twins girl 5 years old and the boys is 8 years old. My duties are taking care of the children, cooking Chinese food, doing household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and mopping. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and can follow the rules and regulations. I promise to be a good housemate and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and looking forward to work with you.